it's so pretty, and it's such a shame that... Hey, my name is Haley Marie, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Dashley wig. The Dashley unit number 8, and I got her in Money Piece Blonde. Y'all, when I tell you, I searched and searched and searched and searched the entire freaking internet, all of Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, motherfucking Yahoo, MSN, every search engine to find this wig, and I found it on one website. Everywhere else is sold out. So if you want the wig, you know, they still have a couple over at hairsofly.com. That's where I got my unit from. Let's give her a look here. So I know that people were like buying this wig mainly due to the color pattern it has. It's like one of the first wigs with a money piece coloring on it. So hopefully it looks pretty decent. I did get her in blonde because I'm going to be doing a dye video later of me dyeing the blonde into green. So check that out. Keep an eye out for that. This is how the packaging is looking. And the color that the model has on here is the Money Piece Blonde that I will be trying on here. It says it's ear-to-ear lace, but it's not like no motherfucking lace you can cut or anything or customize or nothing. So like that doesn't mean nothing to nobody, at least not to me. Looks cute. Super cute so far. Long as hell. All right, so right out the package, this is how she's looking. It's like, of course, you got the ultra money piece, super looking blonde in the front, and it's kind of like an ombre balayage type thing going on in the back with the blonde, and then it goes super blonde all the way down. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm gonna cut this off. It's super cute though, 100%. Like I said, it is ear-to-ear lace. However, the lace on the sides is not super customizable because there's like maybe 1 centimeter of like plucking space. It's not that much. It's not that great. But, you know, the parting space looks pretty good. Looks pretty decent. I do have a wig on right now, obviously, and I have to go snatch this bitch off so we can try this on. Give me one moment. All right, so this is how she's looking right out of the box. Before I get into the wig, I do just want to mention this is the first time in my entire life that I've actually had lace that remotely matched my motherfucking skin color. How are you doing? Wow, that's like a pretty good match. That looks so... Anyways, yeah, this is how she's looking. Super blonde. I'm in love with this color pattern. Like, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. But I don't know about this blonde though. I'm not liking how this blonde looks on me. And I knew I wasn't gonna like it too much. But I got it because so that I could do my green hair. But as for the wig, there is quite a bit of shedding, honestly. Like, I'm gonna just be 100% with you guys. Like, this is kind of a lot of shedding, and that was just from this side. I'm getting most of the shedding on this side for some reason. Like, it's a lot of hair. A lot of hair on this side too. which is fine. Yeah, it's whatever. Fuck ton of hair. It's okay. Wow, this looks like a lot. There's a lot going on here. This is the back. There's a lot going on. I'm gonna cut this hair, honestly, to like right here. That's probably what I'm gonna do. So give me a moment. The curls are perfect. Wow. Give me a moment and I'm gonna cut it, customize it, lay it down, see what it's working with, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the lace off. I didn't really glue the wig down or anything just because I'm about to go dye it. But that's how she's looking. I could have blended this a little more, but you know, and then this is how the part is looking. I think it looks pretty decent. I love that it goes like all the way back. It's like 5-6 inches. I love it. It's great. This is how she's looking after I cut her to my length. I like this way better. I feel like the blonde ends, at least for me, was a little too much. But yeah, overall the wig is okay. It's so pretty, and it's such a shame that it sheds so much. Like, this is how much hair came out while I was brushing it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a lot of hair. And another thing is that it still tangles. And people say like, oh, you know, it's a long synthetic wig, it's gonna tangle. But like, my Friday night hair wig goes like all the way down to here, and it doesn't tangle as bad as this hair does. So somebody figure out the hair science behind that one. But it's so soft, you guys. I feel like no one mentioned how soft this hair was. It is maybe like the softest synthetic hair I've ever felt. And I can honestly, I already feel the ends kind of getting a little crunchy, and that's fine. But the hair feels like it's still gonna be soft even after it gets crunchy and I go back and fix it. I wouldn't really call this a review. It's definitely more of an unboxing because I don't have a lot of words. I don't have a lot of words for this wig. It's cute. I like her. I had a suggestion to wear her as a side part, so here's how that is looking. Cute. Super cute. But I like the middle part better. I feel like when I wear side parts, this is like over my eye sometimes, and it makes me go like this. So then when I walk around, like even without the hair on, I'm still kind of going like this, and it makes me look crazy. So it's the middle part. This is super cute. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to check out my dye video. I should be posting that one shortly. Like I said, I'm dyeing her green. So we'll see how that turns out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys let me know. Have you tried this wig before? Like, how is it holding up for you? because honestly, I'm kind of sad that I don't think it's gonna hold up too long. Like, it's cute for today, but will it be cute in like 3 to 5 business weeks? We'll see. I'll let you guys know. Okay, bye.